If you work with subcontractors, Aimsio can help integrate them into your existing billing process, helping you reconcile faster and with more accuracy. From the Master Data Companies tab, add one or more subcontractors by using the Company Type dropdown. Companies marked as subcontractors can be linked to both employees and equipment. If you work with a consistent roster of subcontracted personnel, they can be added as a subcontractor employee. From the employee profile, ensure the employment type is set to subcontractor, and select the trade that will manage the subcontractor's billing rate. Under the Additional Information section, associate the subcontractor company so the hours can be reconciled later with the company they work for. Include an hourly rate so the cost of the employee can be separated from the rate their time is being billed at. If you work with subcontracted equipment, it can be added under the Equipment tab. From the equipment profile, select the equipment class that will manage its billing rate. Ensure a subcontractor company has been associated. Subcontracted employees and equipment can be dispatched and billed just like any of your own resources. In the event you don't know which personnel or equipment you'll be provided with, accounts can create employee or equipment placeholders. When creating a new employee, the subcontractor company name can take the place of the first and last name of the employee. Ensure the employee type is still set to subcontractor. When adding equipment, use the code, tag, or unit number field for your placeholder name, and ensure the subcontractor company field is set. A placeholder can only be dispatched to the same job once, but the same placeholder can appear multiple times on a single form. When billing your subcontracted assets, there are two primary approaches to take. If accounts do not need the billing rates controlled by a price book, or they simply want to manage subcontractors through accounts payable, they can use a non-recurring billable item. From the job form, navigate to the Non-Recurring Billables tab and add a new item. Use the vendor field to associate the cost with one of your subcontractor companies. Add one or more items to the cost table below. Mark up your costs before charging them back, and include an attachment if your customer needs to see a third-party invoice. Subcontracted resources are then charged to your customer using the Non-Recurring Billables table on a ticket. The second approach to billing your subcontractors is to record their work the same way your own employees would, by entering the days or hours worked on a timesheet or ticket. Hours can be entered via the web or by using our iOS or Android app. When completing a timesheet or ticket, select the subcontractor employee, equipment, or placeholders, and record the hours or quantities completed each day. Hours can be recorded right alongside your own employees or equipment. Not only will this approach consolidate your billing process, but accounts can then parse these hours from the rest of your resources by using Aimsio's Subcontractor Usage Report. Access the Subcontractor Usage Report by navigating to Aimsio's Report Center. Select any time period and export the data to CSV. Accounts can then cross-reference hours with any invoice received from your subcontractor. Learn more about managing subcontractors at support.aimsio.com.